have a small shop for yoga mats. I am affected by the Packaging Act.
For me, as a compliance manager for a corporate group, there are many challenges. The best part is that Takeaway already supports our company with the Electrical and Battery Act, and now also manages the Packaging Act for us.
I design yoga mats, import them, and then sell them to the end customer. Thus, my packaging is subject to mandatory system participation according to the Packaging Act. If I don't comply, I am threatened with warnings and fines, because there is a public register where everyone can see if I am registered there. And then I may also be reported by competitors. The problem is that I am not legally allowed to sell while unregistered, and I need help with the registration very quickly. Meanwhile, I am totally relaxed because Takeaway helps. They advise me immediately, free of charge and competently. Takeaway has super fast service, and they notably offer clear, simple solutions and fair prices, even for small online shop operators like me.
What is particularly problematic for me as an entrepreneur is that I have to carry out all this registration all by myself, and then have to assign an employee to process everything related to the Packaging Act. The next problem is that I must determine the different quantities, packaging fractions, and material types, and must deliver these in a declaration of completeness once a year. I just want to sell my products and not spend the whole day dealing with bureaucracy. Takeaway guided us through the registration process and advised us individually. The consultants give us guidance and help with the weight determination of the packaging, and Takeaway gives us a certified quantity flow auditor who checks the quantity and the process of our quantity determination. For me as an entrepreneur, Takeaway is a great help, a carefree package for all your needs. We export all over Europe, and it's a great challenge for us to determine in which countries the packaging law applies. In addition, we have found that the information is only available in the respective national language. I do not speak all the EU languages, and we do not have the staff to do so. A big problem is the delivery of quantity reports. I am asked to fill various formats with the different official languages for each country in different portals with different reporting periods. And then there is the fact that I have to constantly monitor in which countries the administrative practice and legal basis is changing. Even for us as a compliance department, this is almost impossible to handle. I am grateful that Takeaway supports us. First, Takeaway analysed if we would be affected based on our sales channels. They have consultants who speak all the languages in our target countries. They are also familiar with the legal framework in these countries. A big improvement is the Takeaway portal for our quantity reporting. Very user-friendly. All information is stored there. I no longer have to worry about any reporting deadlines. I automatically receive information through the Takeaway portal. And if there are any legal changes, I am automatically informed through the Takeaway portal. Takeaway always has the latest information about legal changes and has a Europe-wide partner network at its disposal. It's like an outsourced compliance team. A great relief for me and my colleagues. As an entrepreneur, I recommend calling Takeaway directly for advice. If you also need support with the packaging law, I can only warmly recommend Takeaway to you.
If you want to make selling easier, I can only recommend contacting Takeaway.